Hey everyone, welcome to Student Talks. I'm Karil,
I'm Junwell.
and now we're going to be talking about the Chinese movie titled The Big World and how it explores the concept of a good life. Now, with this, we'll be answering some questions about the concept of good life based on the movie Big World. So, are you ready?
Yes.
So, first is how does Big World depict the concept of a good life?
Big World tells the story of Liu Songhe, a young man with cerebral palsy. Despite his physical limitations, he strived for independence, dignity, and respect. The film explored themes of perseverance, family, and self-discovery. It showed that a good life isn't just about comfort or safety. It's about personal growth, freedom, and fulfilling your potential.
Yes, and in the movie, his grandmother Chen Sukun treats him as capable. No, no, like Chunni is not like someone who needs a constant protection. And with that belief, Chunhee pushes himself or himself to pursue education, perform on stage, and dream of becoming a teacher. So my answer for that is Big World is about living a life of purpose and self-respect.
Ako na ba namang kana?
Okay?
So, ang second question is, which a philosopher perspective on a good life is reflected in the movie?
So let's talk about some philosophers. I think the film Big World reflects Aristotle's idea of a eudaimonia or eudaimonia because Aristotle believed that good life is about fulfilling your potential and finding purpose through virtuous activity. So Chunhee, he wasn't really satisfied with just living or surviving, but he wants to contribute, learn, and be recognized for who he is despite sa iyahang illness nga naas ay ang kika naa sa iya karon.
So, exactly, it's a choice to leave home and attend a distance teachers. College is a great example of Aristotle's emphasis on personal development and self-realizations. It's about achieving excellence or even when life throws obstacles at you. And his relationship with his grandmother embodies moral virtues like courage, perseverance, and love qualities Aristotle so asking to us a flourishing life.
Mhm. So next, um, next question.
Next questions. What does a good life mean to young personally? Which philosopher viewpoint aligned with your definition of a good life and why?
No, so for me, a good life is about a self-growth and contributing to someone bigger than yourself. So ako kay as a person, I am everyday kinakana ko akong self ma-improve better than sa kaning past na ko nga self. So, kumbaga, it is not about just like Junhee, wala din siya nag content or kaning nag like nag asa na siya nga kanang dili siya ingon na kanang nakontento nga inani lang siya so kinahanglan niya mag-improve sa iyang self or level up, di ba? And that's why I agree with Aristotle. Like Chunhee, I think finding your purpose and working toward it, and even if it's hard, even if napakay disability, it leads to a true fulfillment if ever nga kanang ma-achieve ni may mga goal.
Yes, I feel the same, but I also see Confucius' influence. He thought that a relationship and family are central to a meaningful life. Chunhe's a journey isn't just a personal, it's also about referring his bond with his mother and honoring his grandmother's dreams.
Yes, good point. Confucius said filial piety and respect for elders are the root of humanity. So Chunhee lives that by striving to make his family proud while becoming his own person. So kato sa iyang parents, sa iyang mother, even though nga kanang na siya gina-achieve, pero kinang naglay di ba sila kay para ma-proud lang yung mama, pero even though nga kanang naglay siya, nagyapon siya kaning na-attain nga achievement, and na suportahan gyapon siya sa iyang mama, laban na sa iyang grandmother. So mga to siya, no? Then sa pa yung mga kadugang partner about
So,
sa
nagilan ko, na-nice ko itong nga time ito nga guwan siya company, nag-apply siya company. Tapos gignan siya nga, I want to normal human. So yan na siya nga, I am a normal human, but a killer memories. So pagka nice kayo, no? Mo siya, kung kisa ka ng tawagan na, dili siya bitaw pala ng mga tago sa iyang ibalan.
Yes. Like, di na gina-down niyang kaugalingan niya, kabalo siya nga kaning, even though na siya disability,
Yes.
dili siya freak, pero na siya unique, but unique, he is very unique.
So the best yun na nakay confidence.
Yes. So, I hope, no, para sa kay Junhee, makonta nila ilahang self in a good life. So, thank you for joining us, joining us on Student Talks, and until next time, see you.
Bye.